Hey sis, it's your girl Raven and I'm back with another video. This time I'll be reviewing the custom press-on nail brand Klawsmate. The custom press-on nail brand Klawsmate reached out to me to send me 4 sets of custom nails. Y'all know that I'm obsessed with press-on nails, so of course I said yes. For the design inspiration, I went into my Pinterest arsenal. I do have a few boards on there where I get nail inspo. Be sure to follow me on Pinterest. If you're new here and you would like to join the tribe of baddies who love press-on nails and fashion, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. First, let's review the process. The process was super easy. I just took screenshots of the nails, sent them to her, gave her my nail sizes, okay? If you don't know your nail sizes, she also sends you a chart to help you figure out what your nail sizes exactly are. I went with my normal numbers, which are 1, 5, 4, 4, and 7. I always send those numbers over to anyone that I order custom nail sets from. For the 4 sets of nails, she got done pretty quickly, I would say within a week, and then they were shipped out. It took less than a week to arrive to my house as she is based in San Francisco and I am in Dallas. So depending on where you live, it may take shorter or longer amounts of time. So each set of nails comes on a card like this. It has the numbers of each fingernail on the bottom, which I love, so you know exactly what numbers you have, and there's no guessing game of what order they're in. On the back, it tells you exactly how to apply them, either with glue or gel tabs, and it tells you how to remove them. I love this. Like, this is so cute. It's so custom. She also sends you one of these packs for each set that you buy. It comes with a cuticle pusher, an alcohol pad, a nail buffer, a nail file. It also comes with the nail tabs, if you like those little sticky tabs. And it comes with my favorite glue. I love Marquardt nail glue. It is my go-to, okay? If you've seen any of the videos, you know this is my jam. You can pick it up in my Amazon storefront, okay? If you don't know about it, get to know, sis. And these nail buffers, when I tell you keep them, because they come in handy, honey, and they're great to just fit in your purse. I'll be sure to link Klawsmate's Instagram in the description box as you can DM them for any custom orders. So let's just get into the designs and see if they're giving or not. First up, let's start with the nails that I'm wearing. This was the design inspo and this is what I got. I will say that the design is spot on, honey, okay? Like, she did that. Her lines are super clean. This design has these half yellow, half black circles that overlap the French tip of the design. She has mimicked the curve of the French tip perfectly, honey, okay? Like, it's so good. She did a really, really good job on the design. So the things that I don't like, some of the nails closer to my nail bed seem to be just a little wide and a little bulky. It looks like I'm wearing press-ons, and that's the one thing that I hate. Like, I love when people compliment me and they don't realize I'm wearing press-ons because they look like my natural nails. They're like, what? These are press-ons? Yes, girl, get into it. So with these, to me, it looks like I'm wearing press-ons. Moving on to the next design. Next up, this was the design inspo, and this is what I got. Again, they're going to have the same shape and feel as these nails do. So that's probably like my biggest thing with these nails. The design, once again, is impeccable. She did a great job on these nails. Like, the nail design is really, really good. The next time that I order from her, I would ask for extra long nails because these are a little short for me. I know they seem long, but they're a little short for me. I did have to cut like all of my nails underneath so that you didn't really see them peeking out from the side. So I definitely would order longer nails the next time, but the French tip on this is so cute. I love this design. I am obsessed with it. And yeah, they're just so cute. She did a great job on the design. They're super, super cute. Next up, this is the design inspo, and this is what I got. I love these nails, like the daisies. she did that. Like, they're so cute and so good. Even the ones that are like not fully on the nail, like you don't have a full daisy, she did a really good job for those. The lines are so clean, guys. Like, they're so clean. These flowers are too cute. They're going to be a great spring nail. I think to make these fit a little bit better and not be as like bulky, I can file the tops of these. You guys let me know in the comments. I've never done that before on nails that were already painted, but I think I can do that so they can just look a little bit more natural. But yeah, these are so cute. Just like, I love the green and then the one daisy. Get into it. Get into it. Okay, last but not least, this was the design inspo, and this is what I got. So for these, I didn't want them to look exactly like the photo. I did want a different color, and I'm really into purple right now. So I got them in purple. I might wear these when I go to LA. I tried these ones on, and the bases seem a lot thinner, like they would be a little bit more natural looking. So I'm really excited to wear these. I told her I wanted like an iridescent purple. She got the color perfectly. Like, I don't know if sis had to go out and go buy a new color or what, but she did that. It is beautiful. And she did a great job with the French tip part. It doesn't look like it's, you know, off-centered or anything like that. She's a great nail artist. When I tell you she did the darn thing with these, she did an amazing, amazing job. That is it, sis. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Again, your girl is always going to be honest. The pros, the cons, the things we like, the things we don't. So hopefully you found this review helpful and you will go check out Klawsmate and our girl Cartini. Until next time, sis, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.